Isn't it wonderful that I'm so abundant? Abundance is the natural state of affairs in the universe. Money comes to me frequently and easily, and from multiple sources. I have a lavish, steady, dependable income. Money is always coming to me. My bills are so easy to pay because I always have enough money and material wealth. Money just appears in my bank accounts. I have many bank accounts spread across many different institutions. Stocks, bonds, precious metals. It all comes to me. Sometimes it just appears and I don't even know where it comes from, but it's there because I attract it. I know that this is my universe, my holographic projection, which comes from my consciousness. God is within me. I am in the image and likeness of God. We are one. Everything is possible for God. Everything happens the way I want it to happen. I always get what I want. I always get what I desire. Things always work out for me. I am so abundant. I'm wealthy. I have everything I need all of the time. I am always content and happy knowing that I am always taken care of in every way possible.